Al-Belak gazed out the window of his Brooklyn apartment. The year was 1943. The world was at war. Al could hear the distant drone of bombers, a constant reminder of the conflict engulfing the globe. He, however, was consumed by a different kind of battle, a battle against the very fabric of time. Al was a tinkerer and inventor. His small apartment was littered with half-built gadgets and schematics scribbled on scraps of paper. His current obsession, a device he called the Chronarium, promised to be his most ambitious creation yet. This machine, born from salvaged radio parts and scavenged vacuum tubes, was more than a jumble of wires and circuits. It was a beacon of hope in a world consumed by darkness. Al believed in a future beyond the bombs and the bloodshed. He yearned to witness the progress of humanity, to see if we could overcome the darkness that threatened to consume us. He poured all his time and energy into the Chronarium, driven by an insatiable curiosity and a burning desire to witness the future he believed was possible. Al meticulously pieced together his Chronarium, his fingers calloused, his brow perpetually creased in thought. He meticulously studied Einstein's theories of relativity, poring over equations that hinted at the possibility of bending time. He devoured science fiction pulp magazines, fascinated by their fantastical yet tantalizing visions of time travel. He understood the immense risks involved, the paradoxes, the unknowns, the sheer audacity of tampering with the very fabric of space-time. Yet, the potential rewards far outweighed the dangers. To witness the future, to learn from the past, to experience the grand tapestry of time in all its glory, these were the dreams that fueled his relentless pursuit. He believed his Chronarium, a symphony of crackling energy and spinning dials, held the key to unlocking the secrets of time travel. Al envisioned it creating a localized distortion in space-time, a temporal slipstream through which he could travel to different points in history. The concept of closed time-like curves, theoretical pathways through space-time, fueled his imagination and gave him hope. One cold December night, with a heart full of trepidation and excitement, Al-Belak stepped into the unknown. He had meticulously calibrated the Chronarium, its dials glowing softly in the dimly lit workshop. He'd chosen his first destination carefully, July 20th, 1969, the day humanity was set to take its first steps on the moon. He threw the final switch. The Chronarium hummed, the air crackled with energy, and a blinding light enveloped Al. He closed his eyes, bracing himself for the journey. When he opened them again, he found himself in a very different world. He'd risked everything on a theory, on a dream. Now he was about to find out if his gamble had paid off. The fate of his journey, his very existence, hung in the balance as he took his first tentative steps into the uncertain embrace of the future. So here we are in 1989. This year I witnessed some truly remarkable events and changes. I remember thinking, wow, the world is evolving so quickly. From the fall of the Berlin Wall to the rise of personal computers, it was a time of immense transformation. And honestly, it felt like we were on the brink of a new era. I couldn't help but wonder what the future held. Little did I know the 90s would bring even more surprises. 2001 was a year that changed everything. The world as we knew it was altered in ways we couldn't have imagined. The events of that year left an indelible mark on history and on me as a time traveler observing from the sidelines. By 2025, the world had evolved in remarkable ways. Technology had advanced beyond our wildest dreams, and yet some things remained hauntingly familiar. As I navigated through this year, I couldn't help but reflect on the progress we had made and the challenges that still lay ahead. The weight of time is a burden that few can truly comprehend. Each year, each moment carries with it the echoes of the past and the whispers of the future. As a time traveler, I have felt this weight more acutely than most. It is both a gift and a curse to see the tapestry of time unfold before my eyes. The future is always unknown, a vast expanse of possibilities and uncertainties. As I look ahead, I am filled with both hope and trepidation. What lies beyond the horizon is a mystery, one that I am compelled to explore despite the risks and the unknowns that await.